Logic Pro can now handle thousands of tracks within a single session, but today I have to make this song using only 5.
All this time, all this time.
My name is Caleb, I'm a session musician and producer, and I wanted to initiate this challenge for 3 reasons. As a creative, you've probably heard before that limitations can actually unlock creative freedom rather than holding it back, and that is so true. 2, I think this can be an opportunity to show that you don't need a ton of tracks or even fancy production tricks if the song is more focused on what the instruments are doing. And 3, I don't have much time because my wife and I get to do some music for our Good Friday service tonight at our church, so I'm trying to get this all tracked before that point. So let's do it. Okay, so I thought it'd be best in this scenario if I went ahead and set up the session with all 5 tracks in place. So I've got keys, bass, vocal, guitar, and drums. I'm thinking that'll make the most sense for this specific project, so we can adjust on the fly if we need to. Let's start here. All right, so I'm going to start out with my keys track, and since I don't have the luxury of being able to layer several layers of keys, I'm going to need something that's really versatile and can cover a lot of ground. So for this track, I'm using the Novation Play plugin with the Road to Fidelity preset to start with. I just think you can get a lot done with this. Now let's get a bit of a groove on the drum kit. All right, so given the limitations that we have with this track, I definitely want to make this drum part a bit unique and not just straight, 4 on the floor, that sort of thing. So let's see how it goes. Let's try that again. Okay, that's gotta be it. I've had the pleasure of recording instrument tracks for tons of people over the years and really enjoy doing so. So if you want to learn more about how I can add depth and human feel to your next project, just click the link in the description. Okay, now going back to the keyboard for the bass section, I do record live bass from time to time, but it's not one of my main instruments at all. I'll be the first to admit that I'm definitely more keyboard minded than bass. Okay, I think that's good. And now I'm thinking electric guitar for this track. Okay, that should give me a pretty good foundation.
All this time, when I looked at how when I looked at where it started, to act beyond our, and love beyond deserving. Oh. Maybe that's not as much of a bar as I think it is, but I thought it was cool. Let's see how this sounds. All this time, when I look at where we started, I can't feel broken hearted when we try. When we try.
Okay, I think that'll do. All right, so this is what I have so far. It's not the entire arrangement yet, but more so a proof of concept for what this is going to be. I'm planning on taking this idea and fleshing it out to a full track, still confined to 5 tracks only. So subscribe so you don't miss that video as it comes out. But let's take a listen to it.
All this time, when I look at where we started, I can't feel broken hearted when we try. When we try to act beyond our urges and love beyond deserving all the time. Please don't cry, 'cause I've got you on my mind. It takes time, and I can't help but love this pleasant ride. You and I, all this time, all this time.
I think that turned out pretty cool, and I hope that you got some sort of value out of it. Once again, if you want to work with me on your next project, just click the link in the description to get started. And as always, thanks for hanging out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.